Power is dropping to critical 40%.
We are pushing outside now.
3, 2, 1, power up.
After degraded powered output.
And confirm the torque on the fasteners before you disengage the primary locking mechanism.
Houston Destiny, we've got a critical anomaly on array 2B. Telemetry shows a 40% power drop and thermal hotspots indicating multiple shorts. Timestamp is 12 log and wall on.
The heat signature is localized. Could it be micrometeorite debris or a manufacturing defect? This is ground control. We need to speak with the technical support team regarding the solar array anomaly.
What's the 6-hour timeline?
Pre-breathe protocols are met.
Canadarm2 is in position. This is a preliminary go.
No visible damage on this blanket.
Serial 042, logged and tracked.
Initiating checklist, item 4. PGT check complete, torque at 12.
Safety tethers secure.
Final inventory is complete. Station, this is Houston. You are cleared for EVA. EVA. Suit size large, verified. Visor is clear of defects. Comm system check, audio loud and clear. All systems green. Suit comfort is nominal. No pressure points. Copy. Mobility check complete. Systems are green. Copy. Cuff checklist reviewed.
Tethers secure and tools positioned.
Houston copies telemetry. You are go.
Helmet cam active, transferring gear.
Red hatch is closed and locked.
Copy, suit pressure is solid at 4.3.
You are go for EVA. Copy, Houston. Opening outer hatch in 3. Houston, EV1, outer hatch is open, beginning egress. Copy, EV1, you are go for egress. Houston, EV1, dual tethers secured, ready for translation to worksite. Houston, EV1 approaching P4 worksite. Copy, EV1, your telemetry looks good. Aligning PFR. Copy that, Houston. EV1, EV2, maintain continuous verbal communication.
Copy, Houston, preparing tools.
Arm looks good. Continue approach. Ready for capture.
Copy, proceeding with capture.
EV1, verify power channel is disabled before disconnect.
Copy, Houston. P42B channel confirmed off.
Houston, we're configuring tools. Estimate 5 first orbital. Nominary O2.
Socket is aligned. Starting rotation on bolt 1. Bolt 1 is backed out and secure. Moving to bolt 2. Bolt 2 is clear and tethered. Moving to number 3.
Arm EV1 panel is mechanically free. You have control.
This crater is about 8 millimeters. Multiple impacts here. Ready for stowage.
Houston, damaged panel is secured for later disposal operations.
Houston, EV1 has the new panel beginning translation to worksite. Copy that, EV1. Maintain tethering procedures.
EV1, you're clear on the starboard side. Continue translation.
Mission control, we've reached the midpoint, repositioning tethers. We estimate arrival at the worksite in 4 minutes.
Arm operator, panel is in position for grapple. Copy EV1, ready for release on my mark. EV1, arm has the panel, you're clear.
Arm, you're about 10 centimeters high, translate down. Looking good, continue down. Pins are engaging, another 2 centimeters. Houston, EV1, replacement panel is aligned.
Bolt 4 going in. Houston, EV1, all mounting bolts installed and torqued. Panel is mechanically secured.
EV1, verify P42B channel remains disabled before connection.
Confirmed. Channel disabled.
Houston, EV1, electrical connector is mated and locked.
EV1, Houston, we're ready to power up P42B channel. Stand by.
Houston, EV1, the new panel is lit up and looking great.
Houston, gimbal operation looks nominal from out here. Houston, EV1, worksite is clean, all tools accounted for.
All arrays are nominal, installation looks solid, no damage detected.
Copy that, ISS. Congratulations on a successful repair. You are clear to terminate EVA.
Houston, this is Victor. We are approaching the Quest Airlock, ETA 5 minutes. Finishing up tether retraction now.
Houston, EV1 and 2 are inside the airlock. Copy that, Quest. That was an incredible view. Absolutely.
Welcome back inside, guys.
Video link active. How are you both feeling?
Vital signs look solid. Just some minor shoulder soreness from tool operation.
Fair?
The array is at 100%, clocked at 6 hours, 12 minutes. Official mission success, everyone.
PGT calibrated and stowed. Tethers and torque wrench checked out. Inventory complete. Ready for next EVA.
We initiated the final installation sequence at 0800 Zulu. The alignment was perfect.
And the damage on panel 3, are we seeing similar degradation?
Negative. It appears isolated. Voltage and current are matching specs perfectly.
Excellent correlation on the thermal data, too. Integration with the ISS grid is stable.
Full restoration.
This is top amber site.
The primary concern remains the debris hazard trajectory.
If we section it here, but the timeline is tight.
I still can't believe how smoothly the deployment went. And the view from your helmet cam here, absolutely stunning. We nailed the replacement.
Telemetry is live, initiating tracking protocol. Power output is stable, thermal scans show no hotspots. We are committed to ongoing...
The mission was a resounding success, thanks to the team.
We are proud of the work we accomplished up here. What does this mean for the lifespan of the station?
We need to ensure the engineering analysis covers the mechanical verification.
Yes, and the lessons learned database is updated for future EVA planning.
We must update the curriculum.
Let's practice that alignment.
These updates will ensure success.
3, 2, 1, power up!